Hi, Janelle Schaefer here, and welcome to my channel, Sheep Hill Herbs. I am so happy that you found me, and let's get real here a minute. The world is a crazy place, and if you do not know how to use the plants and the herbs in your environment and how to make home remedies out of them, you are going to be at a huge disadvantage. So it is my goal here to teach you what I know and how to use the plants that are growing in your backyard. And whenever possible, I really recommend that you can acquire fresh plants that you've grown maybe in your garden or have wildcrafted and harvested. But if you cannot, I do have links for reputable companies with good quality herbs, because the quality is super important for making herbal medicine. So thanks for coming here, and subscribe before you go.